Hey folks, let's do today's CSS Daily Target, and then I'm going to go to the beach. Oh, a truly interesting shape. No idea what to make of that shape. Okay. How many elements do we need? Let's do it all on the body. Yeah, let's do it all on the body. What's that look like, and what should we do first? I feel like the radial gradient part of this is definitely a piece of it. Well, actually, yeah, the radial gradient, and we'll do circle, and then that color, and then transparent. All right, and then in the distant background, we'll have that blue. So, what do we need to do to get this circle down there? I think it's at 50%, 100%, and then some number, 40 pixels, let's say 0, 100 pixels. All right, can we align? Wow, that is perfectly aligned. We're going to take that for sure. Now the question is the way to actually do this so, okay, let's do it backwards. Make the circle transparent, and then put the blue on the outside. Like so. So then we can see through to there. All right, and then on top of that, we're going to do conic gradient. Conic gradient, which is what? Transparent, 75%, and then that color. And it's going to have an at value of like 20 pixels, 50 pixels, maybe a little wider, 30, maybe a little taller, 60, and then we just move that over. Too tall, too wide. Okay, and we'll just adjust these numbers. Just easier said than done. 2, 3, 4, 8. 85, and then down 120. All right, so that's part of it. Now, I don't actually see a good kind of interesting here, right? Like there's overlap, unfortunately, which means I don't think, can we get a conic gradient that's going to do that? Not really. So let's do a linear gradient and do these stripes first. So transparent, and then this color, and then transparent, and then those again, and no trailing comma. So that's, and it'll come in at a 90-degree angle. This is not the most efficient way to do it, I'm almost certain. It doesn't matter, I don't care. I'm gonna get it done. Okay, so that's at like 40%. So where's that hard edge? 35, 36, 37, 38, 37. How about an even 200 pixels? Too far over. 160 pixels, 150 pixels. That could be right. And then this is 170 pixels, and then this is, nope, it's got to be 180, isn't it? 180. Oh, 185. And then 0 to 25 pixels. 0. How about 220 pixels? 215 pixels, and then 0. So it's all about the color stops. 0 to 40 pixels, and 0 to 50. All right, so that's a little bit more for what it's worth. Oh, and it looks like, oh, unfortunately, oh, that's frustrating. We've got an additional problem there. Is it solvable using some combination of that conic gradient that I did at the top? This is not efficient. I'm going to go with it, but you know, I want to go to the beach, so let's not change it up too much. So all right, here's the final linear gradient is this linear gradient. Now we're going to go to blue, 80%, 0, 90, there it is. And then what have we got left? So this is what we've got at this point. You'll notice that I've kind of ruined it for myself a little bit. I think that means this conic gradient is no good. That's a lot of it. It's just not quite right, is it? So now I've got this linear gradient, which is over top of everything. So, is there a clean way to do that? Yeah, probably. Let's do a linear gradient. And I'm going to use outlandish colors. Red, green, blue. And I'm going to constrain it. I'm going to move it over to, what is that? What did we say? 185 pixels. 0. And then make it 30 pixels wide. And no repeat. Yeah, there's my stripe. And so what can we do there? So I'm going to clobber that again. So we're transparent. So what we actually want is what? Transparent to 140 pixels, maybe. To that color stop. How about 120 pixels? That's probably right. Down more. Another color stop. 50, 60, 70, 80. And then down another color stop. And then this 200, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60. Those are all our color stops. Hooray. We change that color to that, and this color to this. And this is a highly inefficient solution to this problem. But, oh, and we got 261. Let's submit and make sure that we've got all the code that we need there. Do we have 100%? Can I go to the beach? Is it time to go to the beach? Yes. So, great. I'm going to use my unit replace. You can cut off the final brace and parentheses. And I'm going to unit replace. And that shrinks things down a little bit more. So I'll resubmit. And then that's it. That's how we do that. Very particular shape. Again, I enjoy a challenge like this to do it all in gradients because it's just a reminder of the versatility of these gradients if you adjust their color stops of the various kinds. We got radial and linear gradients in this case. Their background position their background size and whether they repeat and how they repeat. So that's fun. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourselves and make a web page. Web pages are awesome. Send one to your friend. They like it. Everybody's got web browsers. All right. Have a great day. Bye.